بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف.
Surah Quraish. This surah is Makki and comprises 4 ayat, verses. With the name of Allah, the All-Merciful, the Very Merciful. Because of the familiarity of the Quraish, that is, their familiarity with the trips of winter and summer, they must worship the Lord of this house. In pre-Islamic era, the entire Arabia was facing a grave situation of mutual battles, robberies, and carnage. When traveling from one place to another, people were under the constant fear of being attacked from either their enemies or from the robbers. As opposed to this, the trade caravan of the tribe of Quraish used to travel safely to Yemen in winter and to Syria in summer. This was because the people of the entire Arabia respected them as caretakers of the sacred house in Mecca and never touched them with any evil during the commercial trips. As such, Kaaba was the basic cause of their security and economic prosperity. This surah reminds them that Allah has blessed them with this special favor only because they are caretakers of His sacred house. In this capacity, they are required to have a higher standard of obedience to Allah and refrain from worshipping anyone other than Him, who gave them food against hunger and gave them security against fear.